right, you're right. Nobody can see her. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. We have a little bit of good lighting today. We are outside enjoying some fresh air because, you know, 2020 got us fucked up. So if I keep getting interrupted, you guys already know why. But yeah, I am outside. The girls are playing. They're enjoying some fresh air. And you might just hear them laughing and screaming from time to time. You wanna say hi, Iris? So the reason you clicked on this video is because you want to know about a company called Kits. If you have not heard, Kits is a company that basically it's a website or an app where you go and you can choose a pair or a frame of glasses, and the first pair I believe is $1. So I'm pretty sure if you wear glasses, then you know that glasses are not cheap. So when you see something that says that a pair of glasses is $1, and you're gonna be like, whoa, what is this about? Is it fake? Are they gonna scam me? Like, what is it, you know? Now, I am not a person who wears glasses 100% of the time. I actually have not even gone to an eye doctor appointment in more than like 15 years. I pretty much neglected myself. But the good thing is that I only need them for far away, so I'm good. And I got my prescription and had them measure my face, I guess, so that they can give me like the size of the frame that I would need. And then I sent it in to them and I did the virtual try on where you get to like try your glasses on and everything. Found a pair that I really loved, and then it was checkout time. I got scammed, so you don't have to. Just kidding. Just kidding, it's not a scam. So this is the package that they sent me. It's pretty cute. Oh, I forgot to mention that in the end, I think the frame is $1 and the prescription is free. But if you want coating on it, like if you want for the blue light or the anti-scratch or anything like that, it's $10 extra. And so I ended up paying a total of $29, which is pretty economical. And I got both the blue light and the anti-scratch coating. I got my prescription in the frame, and shipping was $8.99. So all that together, I don't think it's a bad deal. So this is the inside of the box. It says there's so much more to see. Pretty cute. Came with a pretty nice case. It says Kids. I have been using my glasses for a little while now, so it's not the first time I've seen them. But yeah, here's my glasses, and then it came with one of those wipes to clean them up. So I think the original price on these is $69.99, and their little catch is basically that if you do the first pair for $1, they know that you're gonna love them so much that you're gonna come back. And honestly, they are a pretty legit pair of glasses. And then this is the other side, and then this is what they look like on the inside right there. They're very nice, and this is what they look like on. And I feel like the framing is just right. The measurements were pretty much on point. And the prescription is great. I really enjoy seeing in HD. I'm pretty sad that nobody ever told me getting glasses would change my life. So my overall opinion would be take your ass over to kits.com, do the virtual try on, send them your prescription, and check them out. I think it's a pretty good deal. 30 bucks, it's decent. They're very nice. They have the anti-scratch, anti-Blu-ray, all that stuff. So yeah, I would say go for it. All right, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. Yeah, remember to smile now, cry never. Bye-bye.